Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and I'm gonna show you how to switch to the maximum screen resolution on this phone. Basically, if you want to use maximum resolution of the screen constantly on your phone, because by default the phone will switch automatically between the resolutions. So first we need to open the settings on our phone, so you can tap on the settings icon. In settings we need to scroll down and find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll through the menu and look for the screen resolution. Once you find it, tap on it of course, and as you can see by default auto select is enabled, and basically to save power the phone will switch between the resolutions. But you want to use the maximum resolution on your phone constantly, you can select high, and now the maximum resolution will be enabled and it will stay at this resolution. And then we can close the settings, and that's how you change to the maximum resolution on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.